Every informed individual is cognizant of the growing power of China. In recent years, political analysts, as well as economists and social commentators, have kept tabs on the Asian nation's meteoric rise, anticipating the eventual surpassing of the United States by a new hegemonic powerhouse in the form of the People's Republic of China under President Xi Jinping. Not only are China's economic, political, and social developments worthy of one's attention and consideration, but China's scientific endeavors ought to be paid attention to as well, especially given how other nations throughout the globe might respond to them, i.e., by imitating and trying to one up China's scientific progress. Eileen Hunt Botting documents one such recent scientific development and breakthrough by the Chinese in her article for the Washington Post entitled, "A Chinese Scientist Says He Edited Baby's Genes. What are the Rights of the Genetically Modified Child?" Eileen writes that on November 28, 2018, Chinese scientist He Jiankui announced at the Second International Summit on Human Genome Editing in Hong Kong that he had used CRISPR-Cas9 to disable copies of the CCR5 gene in human embryos in order to prevent the embryo's father from passing on his HIV infection. Jiankui, to the shock of many throughout the world, said that he had, quote, ignored all established ethical and scientific protocols by implanting genome-edited embryos in the mother's womb for the purpose of reproduction. Close quote. This deed of Jiankui has shown to the entire world that gene editing and the creation of designer babies is here. And although it is still morally ambiguous and has received international opprobrium, what Jiankui did illustrates how, in spite of ethical standards and expectations, rogue scientists will, for whatever reasons they have, inevitably use the biotechnology at their disposal in order to bring certain biological alterations to fruition. This obviously presents numerous problems for current human morality, as well as human legal systems. What follows is a YouTube video from CNN that succinctly elucidates the situation created by He Jiankui.